Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to place or how to upload multiple photos on Instagram. It's very easy, so please do the following steps and you will fix your multiple photo posts on Instagram. Alright, first of all, we have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom. And if we want to post multiple pictures, we have to tap on the button above the pictures, this button. And now we can select the pictures that we want to upload. This is the first one, the second one, and I want to upload this, the third one. Now if you do next, we can give every single photo an effect. Maybe the fade warm. So we can give an effect that we want. We can give the tree post music. If we tap right in the top, then we can add a song. But if I do next now, we can add a caption, we can tag people, but for now that's not necessary. And if I do share, then our new picture is posted, and if you can see, 3 photos after each other. This is how it works. If you find this tutorial very helpful, please smash a like and thanks for watching.